Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change background in Google Flow. So yeah, let's get straight into it. This is the standard approach to swap a background entirely across your AI generated images or video clips. So yeah, what we are going to do is open our project. So open your project inside the Google Flow app or web dashboard. Now, okay. Now click on the specific image or video clip you want to alter and click the uh, edit okay button right. Okay, set in the AI prompt the text box you see right over here. Type the background change you want to see. So yeah, let's say something weird. So let's do that one. And then what you're going to do is just click generate. And yeah, now we wait a few moments that do a change, and then we will see what we have done. And as you can see right here, we have now background as we described. So snowy pine forest at twilight. So yeah, this is pretty much it how you can do that. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next